Put gloves on then.
All right, we're right down from the creek that usually has the blue heron on it. You see how it's over the road? So this is a creek that runs up to it. And it's got a blockage right here that Jen's going to get. Why do they have this board here anyway?
I don't know. Rotisserie chicken thing blocking most of it.
Look at all them leaves going through. Oh. Well, I can't touch that right now. Why don't you just throw that to the side?
I think it's supposed to be like a walkway, but it's pointless.
Yeah. So it comes down from that direction. All right, we got it to go that direction. So anyway, we're going to move on to another one.
All right, guys. We've got a culvert here that's blocked and the water is in the road. Holy cow, the water's really in the road. And I drove by and saw that this culvert was clogged the other day, but well, actually I was working that time, so I couldn't stop and do anything about it. And now look at it. So it's right down in there, and it leads down to the creeks down there. So Mom's gonna try to get this one real quick, and it shouldn't be too bad. Well, I'll say that. It could have got worse. Yeah, those are some big logs. You come stand over here, that way I can... You see it? Feel it?
Not yet. Oh, there it is. Goes.
Yeah, see, it's completely covered. Go for it, Mama.
Let me get on this side. Gotcha. Yeah, there's it. Now you can see it right there. There we go. Well, it's got some suction now. Look at it.
Look at it.
Pulling all this stuff down.
Wow. See how quickly it stops going over the road, maybe. It's washing out this guy's driveway. I think that's what's so funny to me, is that people's driveways will be completely washed out, but they just don't even think to check their own culverts or something.
I'm going to pull these leaves in.
Okay.
I think it's flowing good enough to take them.
It's pretty bad up there, too. It's causing stuff to get in the road. Nothing else blocking it?
I don't think so.
Cool. Yeah, it's already dropped. Look at, you can see the culvert already.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna leave this here. The homeowner can clean that up.
I think right up there. Get that out of the road.
There we go.
Yeah, it's flowing through good now.
Yeah, let's go up there and get that.
Yeah, let's get that. That's part of the reason the water's in the road too. Woo! Gosh almighty, this is a lot of water.
There we go.
There's still some in the middle there. It's kind of just...
These leaves will just get washed right on through there.
Yeah.
That might not be a bad idea to let these leaves go through, because then it won't be here for next time.
See if they get stuck.
Well, I'll watch it. Whoa.
Whoa.
pretty deep in the middle here.
Still water in the road. Does look like it's dropped down some though.
Okay.
Go on this side. Yeah, it's already fallen. It was way over this a minute ago. Looks like there might be something else in front of that culvert, Mom.
Yeah, let's go check it.
I don't know why. Go for it. Yep.
Yep, there's a little stick.
There's something right there in front of it, isn't there?
Stick did all stop. Let's slow that down.
But why does it look like the water's falling in weird? Does it not look like it's falling in weird to you?
Yo, you think there's more?
I don't know.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Jen, the professional.
What to say? That don't look right. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, I think that was there the whole time. I was about to say, that don't look right.
Oh, now
whoa.
Come on.
Holy cow.
There we go.
There's another one. My goodness. Okay, now we're flowing.
Now we're talking, huh?
Now we're cooking.
Yeah, it's even flowing from back here now on the road.
Yeah, it's coming out of the road now.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, that didn't look right. It looked like it was flowing over something else to get to the culvert.
Because I was working from the top. I should have
all that
come
crap
down here.
that was in there.
Yeah. Get on down in there, leaves. Let me get this one out of the way. It's going to get sucked in there too.
Is there something back there? Yeah, let's go look at the exit again. Yeah, look at that, baby. That's flowing now. It's not going over the road anymore here like it was. Yeah, that thing is flowing. It goes all the way down there to another driveway, which we've cleared before. And actually, the homeowners, I think, have started to actually pay attention and clearing it themselves. I think they saw us doing it one day, and they're like, what on earth are those people doing?
Yeah,
so they've started doing it themselves
now. They do their own culvert. That's great.
Well, that's good. They need to be doing it.
We're good all the way up to that corner, or should we walk up there?
Huh? Oh, yeah, that thing. Well, let's... Here, you take... Do you want to walk it?
No.
Okay.
We'll just drive up there, because it looks okay from here.
Hey, cow. How are you, buddy? Trying to stay warm? Okay.
All right, we're just up the road from the last one we did. This ditch is flowing pretty good so far, but on this side we noticed
there's a bunch of clogs.
There's one there for sure.
Here we go, Mom.
There's also
Let's start here. This one is not as big.
Hold on. Let me get on the other side. Go ahead.
Okay.
This could be this one.
Sticks fall out of trees and catch leaves. That rhymed.
I don't think they'll get hung up there now because they can just float right through that one spot. There's a big clump going right there. All right. You see all the trees? This is why this ditch is always going to be a problem. Wow, this one's a big one, Jen.
Come on. Okay. Good grief. A lot of leaves, man.
Gonna make it or not? Yeah, let's kind of break it up into smaller pieces. All right. That's going to help a lot on this one. It's kind of a pretty road, isn't it?
Okay.
Trees on both sides.
That helps a ton. I think there's one over here.
Yeah, there is one up there. Make sure there's no water on the camera.
There's a whole electrical pole. There's a car coming up. Okay.
All right, good job, Jen. All right.
All right, guys. We're on the same road we were just on where I was doing some ditches. This culvert looks a little close to being clogged, so Mom's gonna get that one real quick.
Come on. Just pull this to the side so it won't become an issue. Oh, look, I mean, there's stuff.
I mean, it's all okay. So many leaves. It rained all day yesterday. It's
raining today.
It's still raining today. It hasn't really stopped for about 2 days now. But that's okay. We like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is.
That one got away from me.
There goes that motor oil. Yeah, that one wasn't completely clogged yet, but it was getting close. Get off the road. I'm blocking people.
Come on. Get that trash. The leaves are just going to fall back in anyway.
Look at these leaves right here, Mom. This leaf pile. Yep.
I'm going to go through a little at a time. Leaves aren't going to clog it up that much, I guess. Okay, let me check the other side, make sure there's no blockage on this side. Wow, this is a long driveway.
It is a long driveway.
Long culvert.
There's a house up there actually, but nobody lives in it. It's abandoned.
You see how underwater the culvert is? Yes. Probably because it can't drain on this side.
There's a pool right there.
Is it dropping at all back there? It should be.
Yeah, it looks like it's dropping a little.
Now. I feel like it's built up here just a little bit.
Yeah, it's dropping some. Look at it. Yeah, I just released a whole bunch of stuff from it. It's dropping.
Yeah, now it's starting to flow out the top better. Get this trash.
I don't think there's something stuck up in there, do you? You think there's something stuck up in there?
I feel gravel and stuff in there. Oh. Yeah, there's gravel out there. Plus I feel that
the culvert's damaged.
It's stuck up in there.
It is working, it is flowing, so it's not like it's completely clogged. Oh, well, there you go.
Yeah, now we can get that. There's a bottle hung up here. Yeah, I can feel gravel. Yeah, it's not going to do it.
Okay. Well, you got it flowing, Mama. It's not like it's not working at all. The water is not in the road. That's kind of the main important thing.
There we go. Here's something I got out. Okay.
Okay.
That's
good job, Mama. All right.
All right.
Moving on.
All right, we're still on the same road. This road is just awful.
Parking.
This is stopped all up in here. This is the water that goes down that ditch I just did. Throw that can up here, Jen.
People trying to drink. You ready?
I'm gonna get that pile in a minute. You know what? We should have got that other rake out. Might have been better. Maybe. Too late now.
Oh, I'm not contradicting you. I'm just thinking, see about it. Okay.
That looks much better.
Huh?
It's better. Much better. There's some right here too, though, Jen.
All right, we good?
Yeah, I do believe that's good.
We'll call that good.
Yeah, those people can get blocked up
Run
now.
over by this car.
Go back and get that trash.
Traveling way too fast. All right, guys. Woo, getting my mic in place. We've been to this location many a time. See if there's anybody coming. No. It is flowing through both culverts pretty good, but this new rig that the guys rigged up is causing some issues.
I'm not going to be able to get all that, I don't think.
Yeah, I don't know if you will.
If I can just make a path through there,
But
it'll drain.
Mom's got her big waders on, so she's going to get down in there because she won't get wet. Woo! Now I'm going to go stand
Let me get this
over
one
here.
first. Nope.
Here.
Woo, the suction on this is kind of...
Woo, here. If you get it up and grab it.
Oh, you got it?
I got it. Oh!
You're going down, Jim.
You're going to have to... Yeah, sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay, see, I'm sliding on the dirt.
I know, that's... Okay.
Okay. All right, get your potato rake out of there and...
Here, just swing it one more time that direction. There we go.
Okay. Oh! Jeez.
Sorry, Jen, if that hit you.
Okay.
Okay.
Breathe.
I think there's one more under here. And it's tied to
it's
this.
stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. Oh, well. I'm gonna break it and get it out of there.
Yeah, they had that wired. So really, I'm gonna have to leave that here. It's not blocking the culvert.
Okay.
So.
Are the culverts themselves blocked? Or no? I don't think they are.
No. Well, I'm gonna get down in there and look. Whew. I don't know if I can see all the way through it. Here, let me see the camera. Okay. There's no blockage on that one. I'm gonna turn this sideways. Look down that one. Okay, here. Oh. Ooh, it's deep right here in front of these. Wow. Wow, there's so many sticks. This water's cold. There we go. Ooh. Potato rake. Come on. I hear something, I can't figure out what that is.
Yeah, it's probably a big log.
Oh,
it's a bucket.
It is, it's a big bucket.
I can see that, yeah, can you see that right there? That green bucket right there?
Oh, and I can't push it.
That's what it is. Oh, it's full of water. I don't think there's any way you're going to lift that out of there. It looks like it has slowed down on the sides at least a little bit.
I'm not going to be able to do this whole fence.
No, you're not.
I'm going to try.
It's horrible, yeah.
I'd like to get away from this thing. Think that's good enough, Jen?
Yep, I think that's good enough, Mom. You got it flowing. It's flowing less on the sides now.
Let me look back. Well, I probably can't get that bucket out.
Yeah.
Oh.
Need help out?
I think that's good enough for now.
Okay. Here, let me have your hand.
No, hold on. Let me get this.
You're gonna
right
try to
here.
get the bucket?
Get over there. I thought I'd see if I could get this bucket out. There, now we got an opening
that'll
here.
help. Bigger stuff can try to go through at least.
Oh, my hands are freezing. Okay, that's good enough for me.
Let me have your hand because that's slippery.
I mean, we can check on it maybe later.
Maybe later when there's less pressure on it. Get more out of there.
Ooh.
I know if we could get that bucket out of there, that could let lot through. Yeah, there's so much pressure on it.
Well, this will drop it quite a bit.
All right, guys. Mom did a good job here. Thank goodness she had her full body waders today. I do not have full body waders. I'm still trying to figure out the perfect solution to keeping my feet non-wet. I don't like waders. Okay. All right, we're gonna go. How'd you leave the door open?
Oh, I don't know. I was busy thinking about videoing. All right, so we've been to this one before. Wait a minute, Jen. Yeah, it's flowing really good out the exit. But there's a blockage right up there we're going to get in a minute.
That one's good.
That one's good. See if that comes out. Oh, there it goes. Every bit of it came out. Alright, so now that just comes out of the woods there. Well, we got a blockage here. It's starting to get in the road down there, if you can tell, past Jim there. Go now, it's starting to flow. Yeah. Oh, we got that done. Good job. Look at that.
That good?
Big tree leaning across there. There is some barbed wire there that's stopping up some of that debris. Jim's destroying our little waterfall there.
Here we go.
Alright, good job.
We're having to park in the middle of the road because these dirt roads are so bad.
Yeah, they are. It's been
Parking
raining.
on the side will end up in the ditch.
Yeah, it's been raining 2 days, so everything is really soft. Alright, we're going to move on. We're going to do it before and show them what the damage is doing to the road.
Yeah, look at the road here. Going over the road from here, out of the woods. There is a culvert up here. So we're going to see if it's clogged because it's not taking on a ton of water, which would lead us to believe that, but maybe it's just collapsed. You never know. So Mom's gonna poke around here, and yeah, it's gotta be right there. There it is, and it was clogged. Yep, look at it. Boom. Simple as can be. Oh. Yep, look at it. Look at all that water now. This dirt road is so dangerous driving it.
I mean, that was so easy. Where did the people, anyway, never mind. Yeah, there's nothing else in front of it, I can tell.
Other people don't think about culverts the way we think about culverts.
I know. It seems so easy. Yeah, see all this back in here.
Yeah, look at all that. Maybe it'll actually drain now. Yeah, it should stop going that way now. Look at all that water it's taking on. That's cool. I love it. All right, she's going to try to get the fence row a little bit cleaner. At least it's not one of those cattle guard ones that they're always putting up that catches every bit of debris in the world. Oh, look how quickly that clogged up. Yep, look how quick it did it. It's messed up on the end.
I don't know what this culvert looks like down here.
Cool. Yeah, see, it's not going across the road at all anymore. It's already stopped. It was going all the way across this road a minute ago, and it's not doing it at all now. That quick.
Okay.
Just from 2 seconds of unclogging a culvert. Oh, well, that's what we're for, right?
That's right, we're for.
If they do it for us, what are we going to do? Nice. Okay, so now all this woods has got somewhere to drain. I bet you there's a pond up there. I bet you they've got cows and there's a pond up there, which is where all this comes from. Oh, we're blocking the road. Okay, moving on, guys. It's like we're in the middle of a mission. I know that tailgate handle's getting worse and worse. All right, guys, this one's got just a few sticks in front of the two. It's raging out the other side over here, taking on most of the water, so that's good. You can tell they've had to put rock in here because this washes out so often from the normal dirt. So Mom wants to get this one real quick because she said she's got her pants on. Anyway.
Oh, I got two different ones.
She's not getting in the water, so I don't know why that makes a difference, but she says she wants to do it, so.
What?
Clear this one.
Oh, with these pants? Well,
yeah.
You don't know, Jen, I might jump in there.
You might jump in. You're not going to jump in.
Where
are you going?
I'm going to go from the side over here.
I don't think you're going to reach from the side over there. It's further than you think.
Oops,
oh, yeah, that's deep.
Yeah. You know what, I'm going to stand right here.
This is concrete on top of here, so it should be solid. Yes, I've got your hand.
True. I should have listened to you at the beginning.
There it goes. There's another one over here to the left. See, yeah. Whoa. That's huge.
Come on.
Oh. You got it?
Come on. Oh.
Hold on.
Okay, I got it.
You got it? Here, I'll hold this. If I hold this up, never mind. There we go. She got a hold of it.
Okay.
There we go. Sorry if I wasn't recording that. God, I'm sorry.
Alrighty. That'll help a lot.
I'm trying to keep her from not falling in.
Yeah, there's nothing else in front of that.
That was it? Okay. Yeah, it's flowing faster. We stand on this. that it?
No.
Oh.
There's something else right here.
Whoa, something big, huh? Yep. Something long, too. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go to the other side because that definitely picked up speed. Look at all that brush coming through there. Hope there's no water on the front.
I think that's probably it.
Is that it?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. All right, these two are clear. These take on quite a bit of water. It comes from that way, back there, and the ditch. So that takes a lot of water, these two do. Okay, moving on.
All right, so there's the culvert right there. See it down there. Let me go look at the exit. Just goes out in this field, looks like. The problem here too is there's a lot of areas where the debris has slowed down the water flow, but there's also water backed up on this side. So let's see what we can do here. Yeah. Wow. You might want to do that on this side, huh?
That is right there. It just feels like a mud.
Yep. Come on my side, that way you can pull it out of the way. That's just, that's roots and stuff.
Yeah, roots.
Yep. Who knows the last time this thing's been clean?
Well, that's smelling much better. Got what I got, didn't I?
Yeah, get back up in there.
Nice stickers. That's about as good as that's going to get, Mom.
That post isn't even in the ground.
Huh?
That post isn't even in the ground. If you can pick it up.
Okay. With all those roots, that's a big
Yeah, but it will help us look at all this water built up in here. Yeah. Let's go check the exit one more time. No, I know. That's what I'm saying. That's part of the problem there is all that. And there's a fence here, so we can't help that. You know what? You hold this. I'm walking around because the fences don't go very far.
Okay. As long as there's not a no trespassing sign. Mm-hmm. That helped a ton, Mom. Yeah, that looks good.
Looks good.
That's going really fast. Took care of it on both ends. This one's better here because there's so many roots. Can't get it all.